Creating RS. Activating the copy option for a tool, there is no specific copy tool in SketchUp. This is because there are several tools that can duplicate geometry, specifically the Move tool, the Rotate tool, and the Push and Pull tool. Because of this variety, things are copied within SketchUp by use of modifier key while using a tool. Creating arrays of objects. Now we understand copying arrays of objects, groups, or components are merely an extension of this concept. The Move tool makes linear arrays and the Rotate tool makes circular arrays. Basically, arrays' ability to create multiple different copies of an object using the Move tool and the Rotate tool.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ang tutorial na ito ay malaman natin kung paano ang basic hackways of creating 3D arrays using SketchUp Pro. So first, double-click the SketchUp application.
Sa part na to, marami tayong pagpipilian na templates. So I choose architectural. Ang measurement niya ay inches. So click pa natin. Ayan, na-open na natin. So first, delete muna natin yung default model na nakalagay sa layer. So first, select all, then press delete key.
Next, press O, the orbit, para maganda ang view ng pag-draw natin.
Then press R for rectangle and P for push and pull button. Then select again or press spacebar on your keyboard. Then press M for move. Then Ctrl C.
Ctrl C and move. Any number you want to multiply.
Press X and the number you want to multiply. Select all again, the all edges of rectangle model. Press M in your keyboard, then move, and Ctrl C again. Press slash key button in your keyboard, and the number you want to divide. Select natin lahat ng model na nagawa natin. Then press delete button para sa new model naman natin. Press C for circle and P for push and pull button.
All natin yung ginawa nating 3D model, then press M for move and Q for rotate. Try natin i-rotate sa green axis, then press Ctrl C and move. Then times any number you want. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng hagdanan. So press R for rectangle, then P for push and pull button. Select all natin yung 3D model and make components. Any name you want. Sa dito na part, maganda yung pag-move natin sa every axis. Then press M, move natin ng pa-island. Control C again, then any number you want. Select natin yung nasa lower part ng stair natin. Press M and move. Sabay-sabay yan sila mag-move at same size din kasi ginawa nating components yung model. Natin yung pencil, then draw a line from blue axis and green axis. C for circle. Then follow me.
Sundan lang natin yung draw line from blue axis to green axis.
Copy natin yung ginawa nating 3D object, then press M, then Control C, then move. Yan na. Na-copy natin yung lahat ng components. Ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng simple stair. Pinaka-simple way para makagawa ng stair. Kung gusto natin paramihin yung stair, then select all, then press M for move, then Control C, then move times, then any number you want. Ayan, marami na tayong hagdanan na nagawa. Press Ctrl S para ma-save natin yung file na nagawa natin.